Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Google Pay for in-store purchases, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up fast and secure contactless payments. Step 1. Download and install the Google Pay app from the Google Play Store on your Android device or from the App Store on your iPhone. Step 2. Open the Google Pay app and sign in with your Google account. If you're new to Google services, create an account by providing your email and basic information. Step 3. Tap the Get Started or Add Card button to begin adding your payment methods. You can add multiple cards for different purposes. Step 4. Add your card by using your phone's camera to scan it, or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 5. Verify your card ownership by entering the one-time code sent to you via text message or email from your bank or card issuer. Step 6. Accept the Google Pay terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with the privacy policy and how your payment data is secured. Step 7. Set up a secure screen lock on your phone if you haven't already. Google Pay requires this for your protection and won't work without it. Step 8. To use Google Pay in stores, simply unlock your phone and hold it near any contactless payment terminal. The payment will process automatically using your default card. No need to open the app for quick payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.